What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to screen record on your Mac. For example, here I'm talking to my YouTube viewers and I'm showing you my entire MacBook screen in here in high quality. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this, the same thing that I'm doing, speaking while recording your screen, so you can showcase something to your audience. For example, you can showcase a specific presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel presentation, or you can record courses to upload to websites like Coursera or Udemy and earn some money. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. But before, consider subscribing if you find value out of my content. It really helps me out. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Here we go. I am actually recording right now. That's why I can't actually do it directly. So I'm going to show you these steps. So there we go. The very first step is to actually open up your Launchpad and search for QuickTime. QuickTime is this specific app which is located here usually under a folder known as Other or Utilities. And then you do have QuickTime Player in here. If you're unable to find it, you can simply tap on Search at the top of your screen and search for QuickTime. It's usually an inbuilt app which already comes installed to your MacBook as soon as you open it up and set it up. Next up, once you open up QuickTime, nothing will show up, nothing will pop up. You'll just be able to actually see your screen, and then you'll be able to see here at the top left corner QuickTime showing up once you tap once on QuickTime. For example, if I go back to this screen, you'll see that I have Finder, but once I tap on QuickTime, it's going to show QuickTime, right? And next up, we need to tap on File right here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is tap on New Screen Recording. Now, for me, it shows as grayed out because I'm already recording my screen. But in your case, once you tap here, for example, on File, you'll be able to see New Screen Recording option available right there. So you want to tap on a New Screen Recording, or simply Option Command N, okay, if you want to use a shortcut, and then you'll be able to see this option available. Tap on it, and then you'll be able to see this new small window popping up down here. Now, it actually is giving you ways on how you want to select your screen. I would recommend you guys to keep it as default, as this would record the entire screen. Now, if you wish to record a specific portion, you can use this option to select a specific portion, or tap here at the tab to select a specific tab. Let's say that you only want your browser to be showed up. You can tap here and select that specific browser, and you can also try the other features as well. Next up, we're going to tap on Options in here. Options will allow us to see a few more useful tools or tips. For example, we can tap here under Timer how many seconds we wish to wait before the record starts. We can tap on 5 seconds, so you tap on Start and then you prepare yourself so the video starts recording right at that moment where you have that specific area you wish to show up already open, right? Because remember, you're using the same mouse to navigate and to showcase to people. Next up, we do have the microphone option in here, from where you can select the microphone that you wish to record your audio from. This is a very important step, otherwise you're going to record your video and the audio will not be audible. So in my case, I have none. If I don't want any voice to show up, you can tap on none as well. You do have Fixed by Shaq microphone, which is my phone's microphone. You can, yes, in fact, use your phone as a microphone as long as you connect your iPhone to your MacBook through a cable, right? Whether it's a Type-C, a Lightning, or a USB cable, it doesn't matter. It only requires your iPhone to be connected to your MacBook. Next up, I do have my wireless microphone, which is a microphone that I've connected to my Mac. It's the one I'm using right now. And then you do have the native MacBook Pro microphone, which is your laptop's microphone. Okay, so you just want to connect all the microphones, the ones that you're going to use, to your MacBook, and then select it here. Now, it's important, for example, I'm going to tap at the top left corner on the Apple logo and then tap on System Settings. Now, here within System Settings, I'm going to tap on Sound at the left inferior corner. Now, in here, as you can see, as I'm speaking, I do have the input level in here bouncing. This is how loud my voice is or how low it is. So it's important for you to double check this, because sometimes it could be here and your voice will be low. For example, I'm going to load this down and this video's volume will suddenly go much lower, right? right? It's very low and I need to shout, but if I bring it up, it's going to be totally fine. So you want to make sure that the volume is always up, as it usually goes down from time to time as a specific measure or feature on new MacBook softwares. And here you also want to select the default input microphone, the one you prefer to connect. Okay, so double check these settings before you actually continue here with the setting of your record. Okay, next up, let me tap on the next image. Once you're done tapping on record here, we're gonna tap here. Okay, we do have a record button, so once you tap on it, it's gonna start immediately recording. And once you tap on record, you'll be able to see this option in here at the top of your bar, which is a stop button in there. That's the button you're gonna tap once you're done recording. Let me tap on it. Let's say that I've tapped. It's gonna quickly show your video. Your video will quickly show up on your screen, and the next thing you need to do is tap at the top left corner where you do have file. Okay, now it needs to be with QuickTime open. Tap on file, and then you'll be able to tap on export as in order to export that recorded video, because you've recorded but it's not yet saved. So tap on export as and then select the best resolution. In my case, I do have 4K available. Select the best one you have, and then simply choose the destination file or folder where you wish to save that specific video. Okay, here we go, desktop. You can rename it with a different name and then simply tap on save, and this is how you can actually easily record videos on your screen and then share it to your MacBook. I'm gonna do the same thing right now. I'll quickly tap here to stop my video and then export this video to YouTube so you guys can actually watch the video. I really appreciate you watching till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful or if you find value out of my content, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.